Alright, here's the data sheet we'll use for your final field practicals. Alright, so make sure your name is up here. This looks so weird. It's so hard for me to do this. It's like writing with my offhand. Okay, and let's see. The date, today's date is, boy, what is it? Is it the 7th? Dang. Alright, so get that in there. 2021. For my start time, let's see, I'll consult my Darth Vader watch, and it is approximately Empire o'clock. Okay, that sounds good. And then this is a woodland plot. Put that in there, woodland. And here's how this is going to work. Just like what we were doing in lab, and like you've seen in the video that's already been posted, species will be here. Each row should be its own species, and then you're making a mark for each individual of that species you detect in each time band of the count. And this is just the first time band in which you detect that individual. So if a cardinal starts singing in the first one, I don't mark that same cardinal if I heard him in the subsequent time bands. Over here is anything that's a flyover, or like not really using the plot, or beyond 100 meters. Like right now I can hear some crows and they're like, I don't know, 400 meters away. So I would just put American crow over here. I wouldn't try to count them, I'd just say that they were there. And the only difference we're going to do for these virtual ones is that I'm going to shorten the time bands. So instead of 6-minute counts, we're just going to do 3-minute counts of 1-minute increments. And that's just to keep the file sizes down. Okay?